Today we're going to be talking about some of the villa developments which are happening within Dubai, which is in the region of 2 million to 3 million and 4 million. This is an important topic because a lot of you want to purchase into this kind of market segment. When it comes to it, very simply put, we're talking about only a couple of communities here, and it's only these couple of communities that you have to consider when you're looking to buy. A lot of these communities are actually built by Damac. Damac Hills 1, Damac Hills 2, Damac Lagoons, Damac Islands. A lot of these communities are built by that. And then you have Emaar, and Emaar has the Valley, has Emaar South, and this ranges in the region of 2.8 to 3 million and 3 million above. And then you have a bit of a steeper range, which is at 5 million above. Okay. When it comes to it, these communities are focused solely on, you could say, middle class living. This is what we're really talking about here, which is the point of the video today. If you're looking to buy into a villa community, you're sick and tired of the high-rise towers, this is ultimately where you're looking at. When it comes to entry prices, off-plan entry prices, 2.2, 2.3 million, 2.1 million is what you're going to be paying. If you're going to be buying something which is ready-made, you're paying a little bit 30% extra, 20% extra. Okay, that's what it's looking at on average. Okay, in my honest opinion, if you are going to spend 2 million dirhams, 2.2 million dirhams, and you want to find one area to put your money in, Damac Hills 2, Damac Islands, Damac Lagoons are all fantastic areas to put in. Damac Lagoons, slightly higher. We're talking about 2.7, 2.8 million now. Okay, so it might be slightly above your range. Damac Islands, Damac Hills 2, we're still at a comfortable area, which is 2 million to 2.4 million dirhams. This is a very good range to be investing when it comes to a 4-bedroom villa. Okay, 4-bedroom townhouse. It's a very good pricing point. Let's say you want to go for 5 beds. Then the price takes a jump to 3.3 to 3.6 to 5, 4 million. For most families, this might not be needed. Okay, if you're a family of 4, I think 4 beds is enough. In most instances, if your kids are toddlers, they might be sharing a room. They might have a bunk bed in there. Okay, you might have a room spare in there. You will have 1 or 2 rooms free. Make one of the rooms whatever you want to make into. Perfectly viable. But honestly speaking, 4 beds in most instances is enough for everyone. And when it comes to buying it, we've gone through the process, 5% EUI, and then after the EUI, you put down the remaining 19%, which makes your 24%. Okay, that's your down deposit. After that, you start your monthly payment plan, 1%, 10%, whatever it is, depending on who you go for. But putting down something which is around about 400,000 dirhams is very affordable. 110,000 US dollars for a 4-bedroom villa in Dubai. That is a very good entry point. Very good entry point. And when it comes to appreciation, you will always experience that 2% capital appreciation, off-plan capital appreciation per quarter. 8% minimum per year. So at the end of the 4 years, you're getting 32%. And don't forget, the entire area is getting developed. So it won't just be that, the entire area is getting better and better. Your property is getting better and better. Should I be going for downtown Dubai for an apartment in a high-rise apartment? 2 beds. Or should I be putting my money in a villa development community? My honest answer is this. If you're just by yourself, you and your wife, or it's just you're a bachelor, then go for the downtown. If it's for yourself. If you're looking to Airbnb it, downtown makes absolute sense. If you're looking to live in it for short term, 1 or 2 months, downtown makes sense. But if you're looking to live for long term with a family, villa's the best. No questions asked. You want your space, you want your privacy, you want your garden, you want your own parking slots. Both of you might be working, kids are going to school, you need your space. You don't want to bring your car back to an area which doesn't have parking slots. You want to have your own parking slot. You want to have your own privacy. Villas give you that convenience. And on top of that, many families now are renting out villas. So there's a trend here in Dubai, which is that traditional families that would be renting out one or two beds and units in downtown have started to shift away and starting to rent out villas because they like this concept. They like their privacy. So when it comes to investing, appreciation is better in the villas, and renting, you will get a higher yield. 2 beds will get you 120, 140k within downtown, but 4 beds will get you 160 above. And you will always find customers for this because families now want to live in villa communities, hands down. There are too many benefits for you and the family living in a villa development community. It's simple as that. If you look at recent examples of communities which have shot up in price, Damac Lagoons is an example. Emaar the Valley, Dubai Hills is another fantastic example. These are villa / townhouse communities. Have in the back of your mind, honestly speaking, do I want to buy an apartment or do I want to buy a villa? But for families going forward now, I believe the way is villas. This is the only way forward now. In high rises, it makes sense. It makes some certain sense, especially if you're buying next to an area where there's an international airport, and the target audience is going to be people who are working in the air. They need to rent it out. Then yes, buy 1 beds and 2 beds. That makes absolute perfect sense because people that are traveling to Dubai for business, work, and when I say work, 1-year contracts, they will be renting. They will not be buying. And believe it or not, the vast majority of people in Dubai are on 1-year contracts. Okay? So these individuals will have to be renting a 1-bed or studio or a 2-bed for their family. But there are that large majority who also have a down deposit, who would actually buy a villa, who also want to rent a villa. So there are many market segments. So what the point of today's video is, don't just limit yourself that, okay, my budget is 1.5 million, I should only buy within the range of 1.5 million. No, don't do that. If you can stretch your budget to 2 million, go for a villa development. You will always win in this case. And the appreciation is going to be far better and the unit will be far more beautiful. Okay. So guys, if you're interested to get into one of these communities, drop me a message down below. My WhatsApp link is in the description below. And like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. And as always, guys, click the bell icon so you're notified of my videos that I'm publishing on a daily and weekly basis. And thank you so much for watching.